Hey Body and Business family, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of 2 six-figure earning online businesses, and today I'm going to be giving you all the tips and tricks of how to create content for your business using CapCut. You will be able to take advantage of these tips whether you are a small business, a content creator, or doing anything else online to make money. CapCut has become my personal favorite editing app. CapCut is a free, easy to use, all-in-one editing system designed for editing content straight from your phone. Within CapCut, you're able to edit by yourself or use the templates that they have. CapCut for Business, also known as CC4B, is actually a sub-brand of CapCut, and businesses of all sizes can take advantage of it. CapCut just added so many new features for business. I always say the key to making money online this year is to master content creation, specifically short form vertical videos. Like you have learned in my other free courses on my YouTube channel, this is one of the most important key aspects to learn, that no matter what you do to make money online, if you can master these content creation skills and editing techniques, and you use these techniques in order to go viral across social media, no matter what you do to make money online, you will succeed in. If you're new here, my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free courses and education. All I ask in return for the free education is just hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to make free courses and videos just like this. I'm gonna be showing you these tutorials right on my phone today. So when you first download CapCut, it's gonna bring you to this main page here. Let me show you a few of my favorite tools when I'm editing my content manually. I love to not only edit my business content manually, but use the CapCut templates as well. So for all of my TikToks, I always keep them between 10 to 15 seconds. Me personally, I have just seen the best results with this. The first thing I do is click New Project. I upload all my videos here to get them ready for editing. I always go to the Adjust option here, and what I do is turn up the exposure, I turn the saturation on a little bit, and then I click Apply to All to make sure that my colors in my videos are standing out. You cannot have dark looking videos. It will not do well on social media. This is what it looked like before. Look how gray it is. It was not as nice. After I added just that simple color, it's gonna stand out so much more on social media. If you need to shorten anything up, you can just do that here. Make sure that when you're editing a video manually, they have this little like CapCut ending that they put in here automatically. Just make sure you always click delete to remove that. Let me show you a trick on how you can permanently remove that. Just go out, click X, it will save it as a draft. Click on the settings up here on the upper right hand side, and where it says add default ending, just click that off. Click discard, and then it will turn that default ending off, so you don't have to ever worry about that again, because I've left that in videos sometimes and I had to re-upload it just because we don't want to add any extra time to our videos. So the next thing that I will usually do is I will just keep it as short as I can. So like I said, let's try to just shorten this as much as I possibly can. Now you can see that this video, it's aesthetic, but it's not going to get people to actually stay and watch the video. You have to add some kind of shock factor to the video itself. This video got over 14 million views because I used a tactic to make people say, what? To make them want to save it, to like it, to send it, because they were so confused. Like a $95 lip gloss. Now, obviously these lip glosses are not $95 and I would never charge that, but it's the shock factor that I added using the text on screen option and my own voice in order to create this TikTok that went viral. In our current times, it's not just about creating aesthetic content, but creating content that provides the viewer with something that they are going to be interested in. So let me go ahead and show you all the free AI templates that CapCut has that you can use to your advantage to create more content for your business. I want you to go back to the main CapCut screen and click on Add Script right at the top here. Then you're gonna just tell the AI about your product. So we're gonna list the product name, our brand name. They already formulated things that we can use for this, which is so cool. So organic ingredients, high quality formula, non-sticky, moisturizing formula. So they gave you ideas already. And if you want your video to be short, I always try to keep my videos between 10 to 15 seconds. Then just click on generate. Click on allow. Now it's just analyzing the input that you put in. Just give it a second, but you can see this is really quick. Now they gave you 2 different scripts that you can use in your videos. Once you find the one that you like, just click on Use Script. I always click on Custom Generalization. Now it's generating the actual video. Then just put in the videos that you want to share. So let me just show you a little bit of how I manually edit. Obviously, I'm just using clips that I have in my camera roll to make this video super convenient, so I'm not digging through my camera roll. But let's just go ahead and show a package of them actually receiving the package. Like, don't be afraid to create videos that you are pretending to be the customer, because it actually works. These words kind of go on longer than the actual video, so if you need to, you can buy yourself more time by just making it slower. Now, obviously, we've gone over the 15-second that I usually try to aim for. So you could even, trim it here if you need to and just delete everything here. You can just click on this little trash can if you want to delete any extra things. And I always click on edit, and me personally, I always use the text that is usually on TikTok the most. So what I'll actually do is I'm going to click on font, and I'm going to go to the text that is most familiar with TikTok. And what I have done sometimes to actually get the TikTok font and to also add keywords into my TikToks is I kept the text to speech, and I just delete these words and I just add them back in on TikTok, so it looks exactly how it would look on TikTok. But that is personally something I do. If you wind up wanting to keep the text that they provide you, you can just always click the undo button if you need. When you're done with your video, just click export right at the top. You can either save and share it directly to TikTok or just click save to device. So the first feature I want to show you today is the business templates feature. So click on this templates button, and it's going to probably bring you to this page where it shows you a bunch of ones that a lot of people on TikTok use, but you're not going to use these. You're going to click on this button up here called business. No matter what your business is, they have so many different types of templates here that you can use for your content. I love the wide range of aesthetics that they have. Like down here, they have one just for more like minimalistic brands. So I could see like a lot of beauty or clothing brands using these minimalistic styles. And you can see here, they have like a whole section just for pop styles. So for more of like a playful type of content, they have more of that right here. So just say you like a template, you're just gonna click on that template, and whatever you like, you're gonna just click use template. You can click whatever videos you want to include in this collage. So just from us uploading the videos that we wanted to share, they created this really cool business template with it. If you want to change the text around for this template, just click on text and you are able to change everything to your liking. So just hit the text that you want to change and you can change it to whatever you like. So we're going to do new lip gloss, and just click on the brand name. Make sure you change your brand name to your business name. You want to fill all of these spaces up with the product videos that you want to put, so just keep on filling those up. And when you're done, just click on Save to Device. I personally only have the CapCut free plan. I'm not on any pro plan or anything like that, so just keep that in mind. I'm using this as the free plan right now. You can share it directly through TikTok on here, but I personally would use these for more stories, more than I would use for actual TikToks themselves. I'm going to get to making actual TikToks themselves in a second. If you want something more specific for your brand aesthetic, you can also use the search bar right at the top to search to find exactly what you're looking for. So you probably thought CapCut is only for videos. Well, you can also edit pictures on there too. Let me show you how. So go back to the CapCut main page and click on AI product photo. It automatically cuts out a background for you in seconds. Then you're able to pick whatever background you want for your photo to fill in the background. This feature to me is unreal because I used to sit there and erase every single little corner. So like having this feature and realizing and seeing how fast it produces this image is just mind-blowing. These images are ideal for your website or for posts on more photo-friendly apps such as Instagram and Pinterest. You also have so many different things here that you can add, such as text. They have even more customization tools here at the bottom if you need to create different sizes, change the background, add text, and add different colors. The next feature I'm going to show you is actually a new AI tool. A new AI character feature which brings your message to life, enhances the impact of storytelling, and connects your audience in a whole new immersive way. You're on this business templates page, just scroll down and you'll see right here, templates with AI characters. You can pick whatever character you want for this. Then you're gonna put your brand name in to the right, your product name to the left, and a quick description of your product. Just click Add Media to add your videos in here, and then click Generate. Now it's generating. So before it creates the video, it's just gonna have you looked at the script to make sure that everything looks okay and how you want it. And if you wanna move this around, you can as well. I usually move my text right to the top of the screen just so you can see the product better. Sometimes I leave it in the middle, sometimes I put it down here, it really just depends. But for this video, I'm gonna keep it up here. When you're done, just click export. Then click save to device. You also will see the sound option right here on the right-hand side. I personally will not add the sound until I upload it to TikTok. And remember that you can actually share it straight to TikTok through here and then add the sound if you need to. So from doing demonstration videos to explainer videos, this AI character features brings your message to life, enhances the impact of storytelling, and connects your audience in a whole new immersive way. Starting in October, users are gonna be able to choose from 14 different characters with 44 different looks. So I'm definitely excited to see how people will use this feature as it progresses. So for this next feature, you're gonna click this expand button on the upper right-hand side. Then you're gonna click Smart Ads. So there's 3 different ways you can use this template, but my favorite way is to link the product URL to create an ad. I just save the link that this store is at. This is just a sample store. You're gonna click on this bottom one here, paste the link here, and then click Analyze Product Info. Then you're gonna give it all the information it needs. For the product name, I'm just gonna put high pressure shower head, your brand name, and we're gonna scroll down and you can just click whatever your target audience is as well here. Then just click confirm and generate. With that one click, CapCut just gave us 10 different video ads we can play around with and use as ads for this product. What I would personally do with these is I would click on edit more, click save and open. It's gonna actually put you in the manual side of CapCut. I usually will re-edit any video that I create. Just from my own experience, I take these templates and I sort of make them my own. So make sure as you're making these videos, you're also applying the tips of how to go viral as well that I show you how to do in these videos. You can find these both on my YouTube channel. I would replace these photos with actual videos of products that I have. Photos only go so far, and even though you can still promote with photos, especially on photo-friendly apps such as Pinterest, I personally recommend using as many videos as you can. So I would go back in, use the amazing AI audio that they gave you and the script that they gave you using the AI with CapCut, but make it your own and put the actual videos in here of the products. If you want to share it straight to TikTok, you can just click that button and it will also actually automatically save it to your phone as well. Then it's going to actually take you straight to TikTok. Do the description here. So what I usually do for descriptions is I try to keep them very simple. Now I'm going to tell you guys something about descriptions that I need you guys to realize. The top keywords to not put in your descriptions is sale, link in bio, giveaway, or anything that seems salesy. So what I'll do is I'll actually just put can't wait with a box with some emojis. And usually that's what's most effective for me. Another key feature that CapCut has introduced is called TeamSpace. You're able to collaborate with your editing team and beyond. So if you have a business partner or someone that you're editing videos with, this is something you can totally take advantage of. Able to synchronize your team members and create on projects. Everyone will have access to the same draft, review, and make modifications, all in one place. Just keep in mind that each owner can create 3 teams maximum, but as the owner, you can join unlimited teams. There's a maximum of 5 people that can be added to each team, and there's 3 different types of collaboration roles: owner, admin, and collaborator. If you guys didn't realize this, you can access CapCut on your computer. If you go to their website or you just type in your app store if you have a Mac, you'll be able to download CapCut straight to your computer and edit content on there as well. I love how everyone has access to becoming a content creator thanks to the power of CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new from today's video. If you haven't already watched my other 2 videos about how to create viral content for social media, definitely go check those out as I show you more techniques of how to go viral with social media, how to create content for your business, and how I even film the content from my iPhone. Today's video was more focused on all the new editing features you can use with CapCut. It's so incredible to see how social media has evolved so much from being just a place where you go and look at photos of your friends to now social media being something that you can go on and create a brand new business on just using the power of social media. And not only has it changed my life, but it's changed so many other people's lives as well. And it's so awesome that apps like CapCut make it possible for us as small business owners to promote our products on our own in order to grow our businesses online. Of course, if you guys have any questions about this video, feel free to comment down below, and I'll be answering as many questions as I can. Make sure you're following me on Instagram as well for more business inspiration and updates. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create more videos just like this. Bye everyone!